When choosing a water heater for your home, you'll encounter two primary types: conventional tank water heaters and tankless water heaters. Each has distinct advantages and is suited for different household needs. Conventional storage water heaters are the most common and affordable option. They heat and store water in an insulated tank, keeping it ready for use. These units are powered by electricity or natural gas and offer lower upfront installation costs. Tankless water heaters work differently by heating water on demand without a storage tank. They provide a continuous supply of hot water and operate more efficiently, but come with higher purchase and installation costs. Here's a direct comparison between tank and tankless water heaters. Tank heaters require more space and have limited hot water capacity, but offer lower installation costs. Tankless units save space and provide endless hot water, but require higher upfront investment. Your household size and hot water usage patterns are key factors in choosing the right type. Small households typically benefit from tankless water heaters due to their efficiency and lower demand. Larger families with higher hot water demands often benefit more from storage tank systems, solar water heaters, or heat pump models that can handle greater capacity requirements. When making your decision, consider your household size, available installation space, budget constraints, and long-term energy costs to determine which water heater type best meets your specific needs. Advanced water heater technologies go beyond traditional tank and tankless systems. Hybrid water heaters represent the next evolution, combining different technologies to maximize both efficiency and reliability. Heat pump water heaters represent one of the most efficient technologies available today. These systems use up to 60% less electricity than standard electric water heaters by transferring heat from the surrounding air to the water. Heat pump water heaters work by extracting heat from ambient air and transferring it to the water. The system includes evaporator coils, a compressor, and condenser coils that work together to move heat efficiently rather than generating it directly. Smart water heaters integrate seamlessly with modern smart home systems. These advanced units can be controlled and monitored through mobile applications, offering features like scheduling, temperature adjustment, and maintenance alerts. These advanced technologies are being implemented in real homes and businesses. Modern installations feature compact designs that fit into existing spaces while providing superior performance and energy savings. Advanced water heater technologies prioritize both energy savings and user convenience. They align perfectly with current trends towards sustainability and smart home integration, offering homeowners the best combination of efficiency, reliability, and control.